Monday.com document management tutorial. So are you still hunting through folders for that one final SOP? In this year, Monday.com has turned document management into an automated powerhouse. And today I'm showing you how to use the Monday Dev to create AI-powered work docs and manage files exactly where your work happens, right in your My Team workspace. And let's start by creating a home for your text. Look at your left-hand sidebar and right-click, and right next to your workspace name, My Team, click on the plus icon, and in this UI this year, this is your primary creation button. From the drop-down, select New Work Doc if you have it. I will just go ahead and create a workflow. Then just give it a name and continue. And also I recommend dragging this into a folder, for example, named documentation, to keep it separate from your tasks and bugs queue. And also don't start with a blank page. You can open the Monday AI section in your sidebar or click the Sidekick button inside a new doc. So you just open up your Sidekick in here. And for example, you can tell it draft a project charter based on the Apex board. And also this year, the AI will pull context from your existing boards to build the doc for you. Need a quick catch-up? Use the summarize feature to turn a 10-page brief into a 5-point bullet list in seconds. And documents aren't just standalone files anymore. You can go to the tasks board, and then you can just click on the plus to add a new column and select file. So go to tasks, add the column, for example, and just you can just select a file. So this year, when you upload a PDF or image here, the Smart Extract AI can automatically pull out key info, like dates or dollar amounts, and it will fill in other columns for you. You can also use the mention a work doc directly in the update section to keep the conversation tethered to that document. Never lose an edit again. Click the 3 dots at the top of any work doc and select a version history to restore previous drafts. And if you're jumping between boards and docs, use the new Recents tab in the top left. This year, this is your fastest way to hop back into the last 7 files you touched without digging through your My Team folders. So that's how you master document chaos this year. If this helped you out, like and subscribe.